Earth on which we humans live. And friends, do you know everything about the planet you live on? It is worth thinking that where a person goes around in 100 worlds, he must know everything about his Earth, isn't it? But it is not so. Friends, the planet we live on, we don't know much about it. Today in this video, we claim that the things we are going to tell you today, you will either not know many things about the Earth, or you will know wrongly. And after watching the video till the end, your mind will open suddenly. So let's start with some unknown facts about the Earth. The increasing days of the Earth. First of all, let us tell you that the days are increasing on the Earth continuously. Do you know that about 65 million years ago, there used to be only 21.9 hours in a day, and gradually the days are increasing continuously. And this is not only in the air, there is a scientific reason behind it. Let me tell you that due to the ocean tide created by the gravity of the moon and the sun, every 100 years, 1.7 milliseconds are added to the time of a day on Earth. And by doing this, today, after many years, the Earth has a day of 24 hours. And it is not that only days are increasing on the Earth. There are some natural events due to which there is a shortage in the time of a day. Like the earthquake that came in Japan in 2011, 1.8 microseconds were reduced in the time of a day on Earth. So what you think that time only goes ahead, it is not necessary. We have also pushed back time, but just think that if a day was 21 hours, then how much less would the working hours be at that time? And if the days are increasing every year, then how much more working hours will be in the coming time? We're getting dizzy by thinking. Do you know that about 30 million years ago, there was no country on Earth, and there used to be a complete supercontinent, which was named Pangaea by scientists? That is, 30 million years ago, the whole world was just one world, and it was not divided in the name of many countries, in which everyone used to live together like a joint family. And then slowly the division of the house continued, and the Earth was divided into small countries. And as you know, there must be wars after division. That is why wars were also seen everywhere. Just think that if there was no country in the world even now, then there would be only humans instead of American, Chinese, Indian. So how different would that world be? The Earth is not round. First of all, let us tell you that we find two types of people here. First, those who think that the Earth is flat, and second, those who think that the Earth is round. But there are also a third type of people who think absolutely right and know right that the Earth is not even round. Yes, we studied in school that the Earth is round, but it is not like that. It is of the shape of a round sphere. And this is because the Earth is very round around the equator, and there is a flat near the North Pole and the South Pole, so it is neither flat nor round. In reality, this round sphere is the rising sun. You have heard about the rising days, but do you know that our sun is also rising continuously? Scientists have claimed that the sun is getting hotter and brighter continuously, and this is not an ordinary thing. In fact, in the next 100 billion years, it will be so hot and shiny that all the oceans of the Earth will dry up because of it. And slowly, the greenhouse effect will also end from the Earth. And let me tell you here that you feel the heat only in 40 degrees Celsius. Similarly, due to the rising sun after many years, the temperature of the Earth is expected to reach 400 degrees Celsius. And as soon as this happens, life on our planet will be destroyed and our Earth will turn into a hot ball. The Earth is the only planet to live. Friends, you must be thinking, what's the big deal in this? Everyone knows that the Earth is the only planet where life is possible. But you should tell this to Elon Musk, who sees life on Mars. Although we have seen some evidence of particles life on Saturn's moon Titan, and scientists have also hypothesized about the possible existence of life under the snowy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Titan. But despite all this, the Earth is such a place where life has actually been lost. So we should respect this planet, because we have not found solid proof of real life in such a big universe. Unusual gravitation until now, we all believe that gravitation is the same everywhere. But you will be surprised to know that it is not at all. Hudson Bay, Canada, is a place where the gravitation is different from other places on Earth. The gravitational force here is 0.05% less than other places on Earth. This means that there are places on Earth where you can experience climbing the moon. There is a sixth ocean on Earth. You must have heard of only 5 oceans in the world so far, in which the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian Ocean, Arctic and Antarctic oceans are included. But there is another ocean besides them, which is so big that if these 5 oceans are combined, they will not be able to equal it. But there is no name of this ocean because it is still buried under the surface of the Earth. And its location is exactly where you are standing right now. You will find this ocean by going exactly 300 miles below it. The discovery of this huge ocean took place when lava and water began to come out of a rock in Brazil. And along with that, some diamonds also came out, seeing which it was found that these are such diamonds that are made of hydroxyl ions. And they can only be found in the ocean. Scientists say that this ocean is about 3 billion years old from today. And today, not just ordinary animals, but different species of animals must live in it. When astronauts went to space for the first time, they saw the Earth with their eyes for the first time, and called our house a blue planet. And this is not surprising. 70% of our planet is covered by the oceans. The remaining 30% is solid land, which is above the level of the sea. But do you know that only 3% of the Earth's water is fresh? The remaining 97% is salty water, i.e. sea water. More than 2% of that 3% consists of ice sheets and glaciers. Less than 1% of fresh water is found in lakes and rivers. This means that only 1% of the Earth's water is available for us to drink, which quenches the thirst of more than 700 billion people. And this is only human. In addition to this, only 1% water feeds some animals. Think how big the number is. So friends, these were some exciting facts about the Earth that we may not have known about. And if you knew by mistake, it was also wrong knowledge. In all these facts, which fact did you already know? Tell us in the comments. We will be very happy to see ourselves proved wrong, friends.